Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this text effect in Photoshop. It is an easy one, a quick one, and I believe by the end of this video you're gonna be a pro and you can be able to create your own. Okay, let's jump right in. All you have to do is to be having that image you want to use. Of course that one looked good to me, that's why I used it. To get such quality images you can go to Pinterest and then download them for free. So after dropping your image, the next thing is duplicating that image. Hold the control and then press J, hold the control plus J on your keyboard to duplicate, and then tap on the first image layer, the copy one, and then go to the quick selection tool and then go to the up there on the menu, select subject, remove the background. If that's a problem to you, you can watch the previous videos on how to remove the background. So guys, after selecting the image, you hold the control plus J, hold the control plus shift plus I to select the background, and then use the rubber tool to delete the background, or you can just place delete on your keyboard, but make sure your image is a smart one. First convert the image to smart object to be able to delete the background. Okay, if you don't know how to convert the image to smart object, it's automatically going to ask you to convert it. So after type your word, tap your text. For this case I use the word run. You can type any of your choice. Hope you're getting it guys. So after, you have to duplicate the text layer. Hold the control plus J to duplicate the layer. So after duplicating the layer, you can put the first text layer in the middle of the two images. Remember, the first image you remove the background, and then the second image we left the background. And then the first layer of the text, make sure you go there to the fill and make sure the fill is 0. Then after, double tap on the image, on the text layer, the first text layer, to go the blending options, look for stroke and then give it any size, any stroke size of your choice. So after giving it the stroke size, the rest is going to do itself. Hope you're getting it guys. Easy like that guys. Thank you for watching this video. I believe you've got something guys. To make it more fancy, you can go to the filter, up to the menu, and then go to the to blur and look for Gaussian blur, and then you be like you blurring the second image to give it a fancy look. Thank you so much guys. Subscribe for more videos. Ciao ciao, love you.